Are you tired of struggling with your finances? Do you want to build a stable financial future? If so, it's time to break the habits that are holding you back. In this video, we will discuss the 9 money habits that are keeping you poor, and I will give you priceless tips on how to break them. So stay tuned to learn how to take control of your finances and achieve your financial dream life. Welcome to Money King. Before we start, please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. It will motivate me to create more content like this. Spending more than you earn. This money habit can damage your financial health in the long run. This habit can prevent you from building up a solid financial foundation and accumulating wealth over time. If you consistently spend more than you earn, you may find yourself relying on credit cards or loans to make ends meet. This can lead to a cycle of debt that is difficult to break free from, as you will be paying high interest charges on your loans and credit card balances. Additionally, overspending can lead to missed opportunities to save and invest. Breaking the habit of overspending can be challenging, but it's an essential step towards building a stable financial future. Creating a budget and tracking your expenses can help you identify areas where you can cut back and reduce your overall spending. It is also important to prioritize your spending, focusing on essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and cutting back on non-essential items like dining out or buying new clothes. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is a common habit that can keep you poor. It involves making impulse purchases without carefully considering whether you need the item or if it is within your budget. Impulse buying can quickly add up and drain your savings, leaving you with little money to put towards essential expenses or long-term financial goals. One of the biggest problems with impulse buying is that it can be addictive. The rush of excitement you get from buying something new can be hard to resist, leaving you to make purchases you may later regret. In addition, retailers often use marketing tactics to encourage impulse buying, such as limited time offers, sales, and discounts. These strategies can make it even harder to resist the urge to make a purchase. You need to resist these multi-million-dollar marketing campaigns. The consequences of impulse buying can be significant. It can lead to unnecessary debt. Breaking the habit of impulse buying can be challenging, but it is essential to build a solid financial future. One strategy is to create a budget and stick to it. Focus on essential expenses and setting aside money for savings and investments. Another strategy is to wait before making a purchase. Take some time to consider whether you need the item and if it is within your budget. This can help you avoid making impulse purchases that you may later regret. Not saving. Not saving money, even small amounts, is a habit that can have serious consequences for your financial future. Saving is essential for building a solid financial foundation and achieving your long-term financial goals. Failing to save can leave you unprepared for emergencies and prevent you from building wealth. One of the biggest problems with not saving is that can leave you vulnerable to financial surprises. Emergencies such as a major car repair or unexpected medical expenses can happen at any time and can be costly. If you don't have savings to cover these expenses, you may have to rely on credit cards or loans to pay for them, which can lead to debt and financial stress. Not saving can also prevent you from achieving your long-term financial goals, whether saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Building wealth requires discipline and a commitment to saving. Even small amounts saved regularly can add up over time, making a big difference in your financial well-being. Living paycheck to paycheck. It is a habit that can leave you feeling financially stressed and unprepared for the future. If you are constantly struggling to make ends meet, you may never have enough money to build a solid financial foundation and achieve your long-term financial goals. One of the biggest problems with living paycheck to paycheck is that it leaves you vulnerable to financial surprises. Any unexpected expense can throw your finances into chaos and leave you struggling. This can make it difficult to save money or invest for the future, as you are always playing catch-up with your bills. Breaking the habit of living paycheck to paycheck can be challenging, but it is essential to build a solid financial future. One approach is to create and stick to a budget, focusing on essential expenses and setting aside money for saving and investments. You can also increase your income. This may involve getting a higher paying job, take on a side hustler, or finding ways to monetize your skills or hobbies. Living beyond your means. This money mistake habit involves spending more money than you earn and borrowing to fund the difference. This can create a vicious cycle of debt that can be difficult to escape. People living beyond their means often rely on credit cards and loans to pay their expenses. This can lead to high interest rates, late fees, and other charges that can quickly add up and become unmanageable. Living beyond your means can also lead to a lack of savings and emergency funds. Without this safety net, unexpected expenses such as medical bills or car repairs can quickly become overwhelming and lead to even more debt. Breaking this habit requires discipline and a commitment to changing spending habits. One effective strategy is to create a budget and track expenses to ensure that spending stays within your means. Procrastinating towards your financial goals. Procrastinating and avoiding taking actions towards financial goals is another habit that can keep you from building wealth. This habit involves delaying important financial decisions or avoiding altogether, leading to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Procrastination can take many forms, such as avoiding creating a budget, delaying investments in retirement accounts, or postponing important financial decisions such as buying a home or starting a business. This habit can result in missed opportunities for growth and can also increase financial stress and anxiety. Don't think too much, just take action and the results will eventually appear. Breaking this habit requires taking small steps towards financial goals and building momentum over time. Create a plan of action with steps and deadlines. Celebrate every small win. It will motivate you to keep going. Having only one source of income. Relying solely on a single source of income is another habit that can keep people from building wealth. This habit involves depending on a single job or business for income, which can limit earnings potential and create vulnerability in times of economic uncertainty. When relying on a single source of income, you may be limited in terms of salary or hourly wages, bonuses, and other benefits. Additionally, factors such as layoffs, company closures, or industry changes can leave individuals without income and struggling to make ends meet. One effective way to break this habit is to diversify income streams. This can be achieved by pursuing side hustles, investing in passive income streams such as stocks or real estate, or starting a small business. By creating multiple income streams, individuals can increase their earning potential and reduce their dependence on a single source of income. It also provides a safety net in difficult economic times. Not investing in yourself. This habit involves neglecting to prioritize personal and professional growth, which can limit earning potential and opportunities for improvement. Neglecting to invest in yourself can have long-term consequences for financial stability and career success. Without ongoing personal and professional development, individuals may become stagnant in their careers and limited in their earning potential. Investing in yourself includes pursuing education and training, developing new skills, and seeking opportunities for mentorship and networking. By investing in yourself, you can increase your value in the job market, improve your earning potential, and create opportunities for your career. It is also important to prioritize self-care and well-being as part of personal and professional development. This may involve practicing mindfulness, exercise, and self-reflection, which can improve mental health and overall well-being. Spending money on unhealthy habits. Spending money on smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, or gambling can obstruct wealth building and financial stability. These habits have negative health consequences and drain financial resources that could be used for savings and investments. Breaking this habit requires prioritizing health and financial well-being, seeking support to quit, reduce or eliminate these habits, and recognizing their long-term financial consequences. By investing in health and prioritizing financial goals, individuals can achieve greater financial stability and success over time. With discipline, commitment, and a willingness to change, it's possible to break all the habits that keep you poor, and you can start building a solid financial foundation. Remember, creating a budget, prioritizing essential expenses, setting aside money for saving and investments, and avoid impulse purchases are just a few strategies you can use to achieve your financial goals. By taking control of your finances and making smart financial decisions, you can achieve long-term financial success and security. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your financial journey. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.